Stan with 3D PT, and in this video I'm going to show you how I batch produce items for sale on Etsy. So these are clean dirty tags that I sell online, and before you ask, the STL is not available. But these have a suction cup in them, so you can put them on the front of your dishwasher if it has like a template, or a lot of the newer washers just have a plastic sheet in front. I also sell a magnetic version. I have a video did a long time ago, link up there, where I actually embed magnets into the print. So this is going to show how they're made, and also just time lapse through how I do a batch of about a dozen of them. So if you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll try and post videos about every month. On Etsy, you might have seen some of these clean and dirty dishwasher tags that you could use to mark whether your dishwasher is clean or dirty. Now I sell this both as a magnet and as a suction cup one, because there's actually a lot of dishwashers that just have like a tin plate or a sheet of plastic on the front for decor. So this one's actually designed to use this suction cup, and this is a suction cup that you get from Christmas tree lights, and you might see them as tree light holders, so you can stick them on your window, and they have a split in the center. Let's see if I can do that. And so they have a split like this that lets you clip in a Christmas tree light. So to put this together, you're going to put the suction cup through the hole, use some filament and some super glue to hold it all together. And then I just kind of twist around here to get the glue all around. Try not to get any glue on the plate. And once that's done, seal it up here. And I like to use a pair of pliers. Just kind of squeeze it. I'm just going to squeeze this together here. And then after you trim this, just use a pair of squeeze clamps. Oops. Just hold it together like that. So go ahead and repeat with whatever ones you want. These glow in the dark, so if you want to add some fun to this or to be able to see at night in case you forgot, you can print it in black and over glow in the dark. These are Bronco colors for the previous one, so this version has glow in the dark over black, and the nice thing with this is that you actually can see it fairly long into the night. And for this, I'm just going to use a little bit of silver filament for contrast. Yes, because you're dealing with super glue, occasionally you'll glue things to yourself. So you could either develop a thick skin to do with this, wear some nitrile gloves, or have some acetone or nail polish remover handy, and that'll help take this off. So same thing, I'm going to open up this suction cup, put it through the hole, and then get the filament to close around it and clip this in place.